Ever feel like your financial goals are just out of reach? Retirement, buying a home, or even saving for that dream vacation? But what if I told you that building wealth comes down to just three key factors? Jeff Stashuk here, investor specialist at Steadyhand. And today we're going to walk through our how much do I need to invest calculator. This is just going to show how small adjustments can make a big impact on your financial future. When we think about hitting a financial goal, there are really just three things at play. Number one, the target goal. How much do you need? Time. How long is it going to take you to achieve that goal? And rate of return. How much are your investments expected to grow? Think of it like a triangle. Change one factor and the others need to adjust. Want to reach your goal faster? Well, you either need a higher rate of return or invest more money up front. Prefer to take less risk? Then you need to give yourself more time. It's a balancing act. So let's run through a couple examples. Okay, so let's locate the calculator. We're just going to go to our home website, steadyhand.com. We're going to hover over the services button here, and we're going to click on personal financial calculators. Once we open that up there, fourth one down, it's how much do I need to invest? So let's run through a few examples. Let's say you want to save $10,000 for a big vacation in 3 years. If you're not earning any return, just saving in cash, that means you need to put aside $274 a month. Because this goal is quite short term, we actually wouldn't recommend that you invest this money. The markets can move swiftly and you want to go on vacation. Find the best high interest savings account. Now, just for the risk takers out there, if you invest and expect a 4% annual return for this goal, the number that you need to save monthly slightly drops to around $662 per month. It's not a huge difference over 3 years, but every bit helps. But if you give yourself 5 years instead of 3 years, your monthly contributions drop even further to around $151 per month. This is a great example of how a little extra time can make saving feel more manageable. Now let's look at a bigger goal, saving for a down payment. Say you want to buy a home in 7 years and you need $100,000 for a down payment. If you're not investing, you need to save about $1,150 per month. If you invest and expect a 5% annual return, you need about $997 per month instead. That's a difference of just under $200 a month, just for putting your money to work. Now, if you push the timeline to 10 years, the required monthly amount drops further to $644 per month. Again, time plays a big role in how much you need to contribute. The last example, it's a big one, retirement. Let's say you want to save $500,000 in 20 years for retirement. Now, this money is going to earn a 6% annual rate of return. That means that you need to invest $1,082 per month to hit that goal. Now, the calculator shows exactly how much you need to invest regularly to hit that target. But what if we change the timeline to 15 years instead of 20 years? Now the amount you need to invest each month jumps quite a bit. On the flip side, if you extend the timeline to 25 years, your required contributions go down. This is where planning gets interesting. You can tweak these numbers and see in real time how the trade-offs play out. There's a lot more factors to consider when it comes to how much you need for retirement. And I've done a whole separate video on this topic using one of our other personal financial calculators called How Long Will My Money Last? There's a link to the video in the description. The idea with this calculator isn't to give you one perfect number. It's to get the wheels turning to help you see what's possible and where you might need to make adjustments to your expectations. Now, if you're looking at these numbers and wondering, okay, but what should I do? That's where a real conversation comes in. At Steadyhand, we help our clients build their investment portfolio and talk about what a reasonable expected return would be based on that, and help make recommendations on how to adjust their investment plan to meet their goals. If you don't have a trusted advisor that can help you with this, feel free to reach out. Try out the calculator for yourself. The link is in the description below, along with our contact information. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on investing and financial planning. We'll see you in the next one.